Hello and nice to meet you. Imagine you could build something like this in minutes instead of hours. With Framer, no problem, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Let's start. What we do in the first step is that we need a frame. We put in a frame with the key F, or you can use the panel here and add the frame. And what you can do in the next step, you can erase the background, and we need to add a scroll section. We call it scroll space. And now we have to add the animation. We can go here and we go to the effects panel and add a scroll transform animation. The trigger, we choose section and view. This means if this section is inside the view, inside this, what you can see, the animation will start. So what we do is we go here, choose the scroll space, and now we are going to create the animation starting point. Means this is the basic, like this is what you see first, and I create the second state. What is happening? We go here to 0 because we want to have a fade out. We want that it gets smaller, so we put a scale on 0.6, and we also add a 200 offset. This means it will go down while scrolling. To make this animation more smooth, we have the possibilities to add a transition, and here we can choose some values. And the cool thing about this is that you can preview every time you change something, you can see how this animation will look like. And now we go here to 45 and we press this, and you see at the beginning it's a bit more faster, and at the end it gets slower. So we finish everything. Now we can preview it and see if it's working. And yeah, you see it's working. If you scroll down, if you scroll up, the animation starts to come back. And yeah, this was it for this video. Hopefully I could help you and bring you one step further. And if it is like this, it would be really nice if you like this video. And if you want to see more content about Framer, just subscribe to my channel. And you can also find the description, or inside the description you can find a remix link and see how the animation works and what you can do, and try it out. And yeah, hopefully we see each other soon, and have a nice day.